How you doing today, guys? Welcome back to another quick video. This is Alex, and today I'm actually at my parents' house because these guys at OXILAM, they reached out to me and they wanted to do some LED lights review. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this on my dad's Chevy 1500 right there, and it's gonna be really simple. I have already replaced the high beams, but this time we're gonna be taking care of the low beams because it is worth it. Now they're currently, I know it's not the best time in the day to do this video, but I'm gonna try to take some night shots here in a little bit. Now as you can see, these are the low beams. They're halogen, they're yellow, not very bright, and my dad really needed to use this when traveling at night, so it's gonna make a really big difference once I change them. And to do that in this truck is super simple. You come over here inside the hood, and this is on the top one, so you just twist this up, take off the cover, and unplug the current H11. I think these are H11s, and it's really simple. You just twist them and they pop right out. And everyone is gonna be a little bit different, but there's just a little tab that you gotta pry out and the light bulb should come right out. Let me do that off camera. And it's that simple. You just press this in, pull it out, and the bulb is out. Now let's go ahead and do the unboxing real quick. And the same process goes on the other side, reverse process to put them back in. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing real quick and show you what we got inside the box. All right, so this is a quick unwrapping. It's come nice and steady. Open the box. Really nice packet right there. And as usual, as they come in with gloves just to make this as good as possible. And these are the LED itself. They come with vents over here so that they can run cooler than usual. And we're just gonna go ahead and put them back in the truck, and I will show you the afterwards. Now back over here, they just plug and play. I don't think I can do it with one hand, but you're just gonna push it into the plug and twist it back into the housing, and that'll be it. Let me do that off camera and show you how it looks like afterwards. It is now plugged in. It only goes one way. It has the little clippy thing on the top or the back of the housing. All you gotta do is twist it and put it back into the housing over here. There you go. The easiest way that I found is this right here. Comes over here, and they use twisted from 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock, and it goes in really smooth. Put the cover back on, repeat the process on the other side, and you are done. Now this is the one that I have not replaced. As you can see, it's still all yellow. And on the other side, we have the one that I just replaced, and it was very white. If I can take some night pictures, I will show you that. But this is a night and day difference right now, even though it's 4 o'clock, 100 degrees over here in the Texas summer. And I guess that's it. Now the passenger side is a little bit different because we have the air filter. I don't know if we're gonna have enough space to put them in. And you have a little cover right here. We might be able to do it without taking the filter out. If we have to, it shouldn't be a big deal, but it's the same process. Twist the cap off and you should be able to replace them just fine. And this is now both of them changed up. I did have to move the air filter, but it's just clipped in, so you don't have to take any screws or anything out. Looks so much better. This is how they look at night. Pretty darn good. These are the low beams, ondas altas, and these are the high beams. But look at the low beams again. Not bad. Oh my god, it is freaking hot. So I will leave an affiliate link in the description below for Amazon, and if the OXILAM provides me with the coupon code, I will also leave it in the description below. Check those out. Either way, if there's a coupon code from OXILAM directly, it'll save you a lot of money and it'll help me a little bit. And if you just want to order straight from Amazon, you know, Prime, it takes one day, maybe the same day. Check those out. And I guess that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. And I guess I will see you on the next one. Let's ride.